God. Hi guys, so for today's video po oh my God, every time na pag namatay ako, kakanta ako. Yeah, oh my God. Lagi ako kanta na nawawala pa si kapag ganyan. Kasi lagi ako nababata. Ay. Wait, mute. Kanta ng kanta, wala naman jowa. Punta tayo sa secret room na ginawa ni Nicholas. Oh my God. I just keep waiting for you. Not the one for you. Mamamatay na naman ako, guys.
Innocent.
Uy! Pag ako sinigyan na. Yun! Ang galing. Sino yan? Kasha? Blueberry, guys. I was trusting you guys. Okay. Okay.
Kamusta ka po? Ako kamusta din po ako. Swimming. Sino po yung nag-swim?
Oh my God.
Hello! Ingay mo naman.
Ay! Ino na naman ako. Ino na naman. Ay, I think nung lalaki. Oh my God! No. Oh my God. You are 37 but you made the worst one look fine. I should have known it was strange. You only come out at night. I used to think I was smart, but you made me look so naive. The way you saw me from hard, and you thought you didn't come me out. Blood sucker, dream crusher, letting me dry like a goddamn vampire. Ang galing no. Ano boses ka? Ay, ano yan? The second I see factory. Factory, my job, my love. You whatever. Wala. No. Robert. Sinabi. Kung magiyat ka sa susunod. Uy, Philippines! Uy, ino. Guys. Tago, tago, tago. Didn't mean joy, cause Asha. Guys! No, huwag mo ko shoot. Di kita patay. Kukuha nun eh. Sino pinatay niya? Binared. Ayun. Hindi naman siya nung ano. I think you're the murderer. Mama po! Na, 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 na.
This is a Canary. Helps repair nerves, so symptoms don't bother you again. You're really
Huwag ka mainit.
Kainado parami ang pumipili sa CDO Fantastic na Sino ang may lambot sarap ng 100%
Ang galing niya.
yung pork. Kaya naman, number 1 at pinipili ng marami. Sure, basta to sino, 100% yung pork tapa, CDO Fantastic. On, o disipon, disipon, kahit ako. 9% ko na yan. Pinakamarami sa pagbayad. Mag-zinc at protein na tulong para physically
Hala!
with zinc.
No, kanta na naman ang taong ire. No. Okay. So please, 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 don't prove I'm right. And please, 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 don't bring me to death when I just did. My makeup's so nice. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you don't embarrass me, mother. Ayun ang worry. Oh my god guys, basta tapos na sa 15 or 20 guys. Kasi bawal tong video na to. Yes, may YouTube premium ako pero bawal. Ino na naman ako yan Naki. Oh my god. Okay. Joy, God, I say I'm the one, no not the one. Why you doing? Factory na naman. Isang magandang map. Kasi nang sheriff. Akin na lang ganyan. Tapos biglang ako pinatay ng murder. No! No! Alam ko kung sino. Guys. Guys, help me! No! Nakanta na naman ang taong ire. Isip akong kanta. Okay, ito. Ito ka. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. I'm not a perfect, it's come full of summer ready to handle the color. But it required to go and fully inspired by the night of my... Okay, tama na yun. Yeah, tama yung katsay, guys. We doing what I do, we do. When I pull up on it, she can put the kick come true. Looking what I thought this ain't a debut. Nami once and nami twice. Alam ko yan. Ako yung big fan of Sofia because Filipino siya. Filipino has English kasi ako ganyan din. Filipino has English. Yeah! Oh my god. Magaling to. No, magaling. Sila na lang dalawa. Yung players na lang. Okay. Hindi po nagwo-work mic ko, guys. Ewan ko bakit. Oh my god, there's ano ng video sa pag naka 10 minutes na, guys. Kasi, hindi. Or maybe 14 minutes. Pag naka 14 minutes na, guys. Ayan. Over overthinking us. Okay, save that for later. Uy! Factor. Walang factor pero okay na. Wala pa na sa ang ganda ng weapons! Wait nga. Sino tumulak sa akin? Gamit mo yan muna. Oy, Ino. Lagi na lang inis yan. Sabi. May sumasabay pang bata. Are you okay? Why is somebody just crying? May sumasabay pang bata. Oh, huwag kayo mag-shoot. Sino ba tawag ito? Kilala. Ala, siya yun. Ay, kala ko siya. Siya! Siya nga, I knew it. No. Camper! Hala, nagko. No. Mama. Ito rin mo ko na. Ba't kasi namatay na sheriff? Ay, 13 minutes na guys. Ayun nga pala. Kakanta pa ako. Touch, about to wake me much. Overthinking us. But you've been so out of touch. It's gonna harm my love, but you've been so out of touch. Bye, guys!